Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video you are going to learn that how you can join book talk community on the Discord and how you can promote your books. So this is the application right now I have open in front of me. I'm using Android phone. This application is also available on the iPhone platform. Okay, so this is the application powered by the TikTok. Here you can just upload your videos or the episode wise data of your book, okay, of your stories, and you can also watch the stories of other famous books like you want, and you can understand the explanation of every story. So I have installed this application in front of me. Now I will open it and I will give you a guide how you can use it and then how you can join their community so that you can also promote your book. Okay, so this is the interface of the application. As you can see that I have just installed it, and now I'm going to open it. I will click on this continue. Okay, here you can watch stories, and like every episode you can watch it in the form of videos. I will click on this continue, and we also make live action with real actors and crews. So let's go for it. Continue. I have rated the app. Okay, now in this section you can choose the category of like what kind of books you want to watch regarding the story. So we want to watch for the live action, dark romance, and fantasy based. Okay, you can also select multiple options. After that I will just click on this continue, and it will customize the feed as per our suggestions, okay, as per our interest. So it will just take a few seconds, and then we are good to as you can see that it has come up with 100 plus story within our niche. Okay, so on the top of them there's Punk 57 and assistant to the villain, Den of Vipers. Okay, so we are going to check any of them. Okay, so I'll just click continue, and here you can allow the notification. Right now I'm doing not allowing the notification, so I'll just skip this. Regarding the chatbot, if you want to create a chatbot you can also do it. Let me show you. Let's suppose we want to go for Zen Meadows, so I'll just select this, and it will create a chatbot as well from us. And there are some package plans you can purchase any of them. As you can see that they are offering monthly plan as well as yearly plan. Right now I'm going to skip it because I'm just about to show you how it works, so I'll just ignore the offer. So this is the main interface. As you can see that it has also pop up with a notification for like a book regarding the girl who got away. So here you can see there are multiple niches: horror, classic, dark romance, fake dating, fantasy, sports romance, animals, enemies to lover, and much more. And you can see that there are lots of episodes there. The Deed has 60 episodes, Hunting Adeline has 17 episodes. So if you want to watch any of them, you just need to click on the title, and then you have to buy a subscription, and then you can watch it with that subscription. Okay, so the thing is that how you can join their community and where's their Discord community. So if you want to join the Discord community so that you can promote your books, you can just simply click on this icon, and it will take you to the Discord account. If you have already installed the application, Discord application, their community channel will open up, and then you can join it, and there then you can promote your books by uploading any trailer or something like that. So, and you will also get some good reach. So that's all about BookTok, how you can install it, how you can use it, and how you can use their Discord community to promote their books. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.